Jah Prayzah is so famous these days. Even when he turns up on your door, the only thing that you'll be capable of doing is going after a phone so that you could take a selfie with him.
No, wait, my phone! No, you can't surprise me like this. I was at a divine function, you know, divine Kuvhara.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah? Yes, where you
This
came.
is actually from divine.
It's from divine?
Yes.
Oh! You lie! You lie!
Yes.
Oh, so funny.
That's why I told you.
Oh my god! Oh my god, from divine! Huh? I'm shocked.
Here in Africa, it is rather a taboo or rare that a father and son would spend some quality time together speaking about family, friends, love, or business. That is rare. But here in Zimbabwe, Jah Prayzah is defining all odds by spending some quality times with his son, teaching him the art of music. Wow, that is amazing. Let's find out more. It is no stranger things that Jah Prayzah is one of the gifted musicians here in Zimbabwe. When he sings, he serenades your heart with the culture and norms of the past. That is really something else. But did you know that his son can also sing? When he sings, he can make your mouth water. Let's find out more.
Vamwe vachitoudzana kuti mvura ikauya mhepo ikauya usapinda mumba mune shato unorumwa. Mwana ngutedera handina kuzarudza tinda kubereka. Vamwe vachitoudzana kuti mvura ikauya mhepo ikauya usapinda mumba mune shato unorumwa.
Jah Prayzah is one of those musicians that when they sing, they can make you remember your grandfather back in the days, or they can make you remember your past, something like that. You think I'm lying? Wait till you see this.
Zvikanzi machinda takanda zikuti mose muchakwitsa zvikanzi nongai nongai tivambe chinambo musambise mutambo aiwa iniringai iniringai zikuti mose muchakwitsa zvikanzi nonga musaziye varuma kunenzira nema ndiyo inzira ndinozeza.
Jah Prayzah's music portrays the copacetic nature of Zimbabwean culture. His music has drawn the attention of many people, even in the European countries. You could see a white person dancing to his music not knowing the lyrics. That shows the amazing nature of his music. Here in Zimbabwe, he had turned the hearts of gangsters to sing Chimurenga songs. You think I'm lying? Wait till you see this. When Jah Prayzah is holding a phone camera to take a picture or a video, it seems like everyone would want to be in the video or picture, even if it means screaming or shouting. On YouTube, it's rather impossible to make someone watch your video to the last, but here in Zimbabwe, we have Jah Prayzah who can make you have the audacity of wanting to watch his video to the last. Let's find out more.
Right guys, ndikuziva kuti pane nyaya iri kutenderera kuti tine show ku South Africa. Timu rangu handiri kuchuna izvo kunyanya pafecha chaipo. zvezokuti tinenge tiri kujoburg tozoenda kucape town zviri kutaurika musocial media nechichichi. Pafecha chaipo timu rangu inini handisina novanza, handisi mukuona, ini handisina novanza, ndoda kungotaura zvinhu straight ende zvazviri kwete kuti vanhu vanobhaizika. Inini mashow aya ekujoza ese joza necape town ndine ndiri komdana ende chinenge chakachaya, saka imi munofanira kuuya.
Have you ever been angry at someone because that someone is not paying back your money on time? Well, if that someone is like Jah Prayzah, forget and smile, because Jah Prayzah is really the mastermind of making people changing their mind. Let's find out more.
Mfana wangu zokubva utofona palendi. Aiwa, foni yangu iri kuchinjwa LCD. Plus ndine zino ka. Kutaura pafoni ine zino ukapindwa nemhepo mfana wangu, especially kuchitonhora mawani. Aiwa, mari yako ndinayo mfana wangu, ingatakakuudza wani last week kuti ndinayo. Kungoti iri muzviraundi chete. Ukauya Monday iwewe Tuesday toronga kuseni kweWednesday zvakamira sei Thursday. Panozosvika masikati eFriday kaSaturday kuseni tinoita kuronga Sunday. Monday vana vachienda kuchikoro, Tuesday tinoona kuti tingasangana nepapi kunana chitatu china ikoko. Haina handidi kuita 2 days nemari yemunhu mfana wangu, zvezvikwereti zvahandidi. Relax mfana wangu, uri kutaura nevanhu vane musoro. Alright.